Let's get two things straight. As much as I love baking, I don't have time for it. It can take hours to make the perfect chocolate cake or cookies. Number two, I do not need an entire cake sitting on my counter all week just looking at me, daring me to eat it. Instead, I like to make these microwave s'mores mug cakes. The best part is that they're single servings. They're moist, gooey, you get the crunch from the graham crackers. I am telling you, it puts smiles on everyone's faces every time I make them. And they're perfect for Valentine's Day. The recipe is on Weelicious. Enjoy!